guys are like best friends. Ooh, a little better than I thought he was. How about that? I initially saw that one. Actually, I initially saw that one. Couldn't miss him. He was waving at me from a mile away. Oh, that's a lot better there. That's what we're after right there. That's what we're after. Yeah, that's a decent one. Hold that up, Matt. Nice.
Not bad.
Well, let me go pick his buddy over here. Seen him from space. It's nice when they grow right on the trail. Yeah, I think that will do. Boy, look at that one. And he's got a friend. But boy, you couldn't miss him. You couldn't miss him. It's a fat daddy. Yeah.
That's what we came here for.
That's what we came here for. 5 big ones right here. Yeah, they like to grow on the side of hills here. Gotta be a mountain goat. Yep, there's the final haul. Not quite a cooler full, but fills the bottom of it. Got some good ones in there today. Didn't film every single one we found. That would have took forever. Yeah, not bad. A lot more size to them. Okay, there's some pretty good ones in there. We started finding them like that too.
What would you eat?
Pretty good. Okay, guys. We got those morels you saw me finding in the woods. Just beat up a couple eggs and crushed up a couple of sleeves of Ritz crackers. So pretty simple here. It's my favorite way to make them. Last time you seen me saute them on a steak. It's not my favorite way to do it, but you know, going with a steak, I like sauteed mushrooms. But just eating them by themselves, I like to do it this way. I think it tastes pretty good. You know, there's probably a million ways to cook these things, but man, I can't beat this way. Just eating them as is. You know, fry that in a little butter and it's good. I also wanted to add, you know, I don't think I gave too much instruction while I was in the woods, but I was finding these under sycamore trees. I never really thought in the past that sycamore trees were mushroom trees, but that whole area is sycamores and you see the results. So not too bad. We'll get back with you when they're in the pan and we'll show you the final result. All right, we got them breaded. Now we're frying them in butter and olive oil. Well, there's the finished product. Fried morels, Ritz crackers. I am going to put a couple on my hamburger. And I bet you those will taste just fine. We'll catch you on the next one. That's it for today. Have a good one.